Recently, what's happened is several people have explained to me that they can't cook artichokes in their dorm room. But I found out that you can cook an artichoke in the microwave and you can cook an artichoke on the stove top. So a person one of my viewers said, all I have in my dorm room is a heating pan, a way to be able to boil water, and a microwave. So today I'm going to show you how to do that.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
You can't stick a frying pan in a microwave because it's metal. So some of the more advanced microwave ovens do allow metal. On your stovetop, what that means is you're going to take the deepest pan you have. You're going to put it on your stovetop and you're going to fill it full of water. Then what you're going to do, and I'm going to show you step by step, you're going to take these artichokes and you're going to cut them in half. And it's going to lay inside of the stovetop. So for people who are living in a dorm room, who are looking for vegan foods, who love artichoke, this is one way to do it. So this is Ocean Mist Farms artichokes, and I got this from Sam's Club. They were a little bit more expensive than if I had bought them at Sprouts, but you got some very beautiful looking artichokes for about $6. So let me cut it in half and show you how it's done. You want a rather large knife, something like this. Okay, so we're going to cook this artichoke, this beautiful colored artichoke. I'm going to cut the very ends off like this. Not that it really makes that much difference. We're going to cut it in half. This is your frying pan. Okay, so you're going to put it in like this. See, that's going to be just above the level of the top. If you have a frying pan with higher walls, use that. We're going to put this on the stove. So what I did is right before I put it on the stove, I put filtered water in it. I'm going to put it on high. I'm going to put a lot more water and we're going to let it bubble. My mother introduced me to artichokes as soon as we came to California, or I came to California in about 1964. And it's been something that we've shared all of our lives. Okay, so that's just going to cook. Now I may have a pan, I may put it on top so that we're able to capture more of it. You're going to leave this on here from 45 minutes to an hour. And you'll use a fork to be able to tell if it's cooked or not. Alright, so you tell your artichoke is ready by just taking your fork and going down. See how easy it is? Went down. This artichoke is ready. This was done exactly in 45 minutes. Now turn off the heat to it and very carefully go to your sink, which my sink is over here. Make sure there's no pets underneath when you do this. There. And then watch. Get rid of the water. You can flip it over. And double check that it goes right through. It's perfect. It's ready to be used. Alright. The first one goes to my mom. And then she's going to prepare her magic sauce, which is basically oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper. And this one goes to me. The next part is showing you how to make the sauce. Now my wife loves to eat these with butter. She doesn't like my sauce, which is basically olive oil, vinegar, and salt and pepper. But you know what? You have to find your own special sauce. I've even used cream sauce with this. But I want to show you that you can make a delicious artichoke in a frying pan. And it pulls off just perfect like this. And then you scrape off the leaves. Then the center here, this part here is called the heart. And you don't want to eat below that because that's the flower. It's a purple flower. But you can cook an artichoke in a frying pan in your dorm room and you can enjoy this very delicious California treat. Well, thanks so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Good night.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.